Hi there. Today we're taking a look at 10 replica and kit cars for sale. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video in order to support the channel. Let's get started. Number 1, 1929 Mercedes-Benz $6,900, San Bernardino, California. According to the seller, this is a 1929 Mercedes replica with 2 doors and a V6 under the hood. It's running and ready with an automatic transmission and the engine up front. The car's got a clean pink slip, current tags, and doesn't ever need smog. It's located in Redlands, California, and overall sounds like a neat vintage cruiser that's simple and fun to keep on the road. Number 2, 1959 Porsche 356 Speedster, $43,000, Las Vegas, Nevada. Seller's description says this 1959 Porsche 356 Speedster replica was restored about 2 years ago, and a lot of love went into the details. It's got fresh silver paint, 4-wheel disc brakes, a custom interior with aluminum bomber seats, LED lighting, and even a plexiglass 550 Spyder style windscreen. Under the deck lid sits a 1641cc motor with dual carbs, but the seller mentions a 2180cc upgrade is coming soon. Some minor sorting is still needed, and the synchro in second gear isn't perfect, but overall, this is a really cool and well-built speedster project with plenty of character. Number 3, 1955 Shay Thunderbird, $14,000, Sandy, Utah. Now this one's got attitude. The seller says this 1955 Thunderbird replica isn't just a looker, it roars. Built on a Mustang chassis with a matching engine, it's got that classic black and white interior that feels part race car, part retro glam. The owner says it's got more power than you want. It's scary, and that's coming from a champion horse racer. It's running a 5-speed transmission and a 289 motor. A great mix of vintage style and American muscle. Number 4, 1951 MG Replica, $6,500, Worthington, Ohio. Seller says this 1951 MG Replica is in excellent condition and comes with a 4-speed manual transmission. It's a neighbor's car being sold on their behalf, and it looks to be very clean and well cared for. Simple, charming, and ready for someone who loves that old-school British roadster vibe. Number 5, 1955 Porsche 550, Spyder $56,550, Evans City, Pennsylvania. According to the seller, this is a 1955 Porsche 550 Spyder by Beck Development, one of the most respected names in replicas. The car started as a rolling chassis from Special Edition in Indiana and now runs an 1835cc Effat Performance Baja race motor with dual carbs. It's been fully refreshed with new wiring, clutch, interior, and Willwood brakes, plus an original Porsche 356 walnut shift knob. Everything sounds dialed in, a pure driver's machine that's been rebuilt from the ground up. Clean title, ready to roll. Number 6, 1985 Henderson Motor Company Machiavelli Max Black, $9,000, Oak Harbor, Washington. Seller explains this 1985 Machiavelli Max was built by the Henderson Motor Company as a Ferrari 308 replica. It's based on a Pontiac Firebird body with custom Ferrari-style trim and powered by a Chevy 350 mated to a Turbo 400 transmission. The car runs and drives, though the seller's replacing the transmission cooler lines. It could use some TLC, but once sorted, it's a fascinating slice of 1980s replica history, a car that even got Ferrari's legal attention back in the day. Number 7, 1974 Plymouth Roadrunner, $29,900, Fort Atkinson, Iowa. Seller's description says this is a freshly restored 1974 Plymouth Satellite Sebring turned Roadrunner replica. It's got a rebuilt 383, bored 30 over, hooked to a rebuilt 727 transmission and a Posey rear end. Inside, it's a clean black bench setup, and outside it wears a sharp shark blue paint job with AAR stripes. New wheels, tires, brakes, and even a Bluetooth stereo system. Fast, loud, and definitely an attention grabber. Number 8, Mercedes Replica with Ford motor, $4,500, Las Vegas, Nevada. Seller says this Mercedes Replica comes with a Ford motor and a clean title. It was meant to be a project car but never got finished. The interior is nice, though the body needs some work. It used to run fine before being parked for a couple of months, but now it's having trouble starting. Price to sell, no trades, just ready for someone to pick it up and bring it back to life. Number 9, 1981 Delahaye 135B35 powered by Mercedes-Benz, price on request, Germany. According to the seller, this is a handcrafted Delahaye B35 powered by a Mercedes-Benz 5.6-liter V8. It's built mostly in aluminum, and only about 6 of these exist. This particular one is said to be the only car in this color. It's got power steering, a brake booster, a fabric top, and even an illuminated radiator mascot. Registered in Germany with an H license plate, a rare and powerful piece of rolling art. Number 10, 1965 Cobra Replica, $40,000, Barnhart, Missouri. Seller's description says this 1965 Cobra Replica is all business. A serious build with a 358 cubic inch M-code Cleveland motor, 4-speed top loader, and a ton of performance parts. It's running forged pistons, roller rockers, and an 11.3-to-1 compression ratio. The car has front Girling 4-piston brakes from an Aston Martin DB7, Willwood Masters, and a Jaguar rear end with a 354 gear ratio. Cooling is handled by a big Griffin radiator and electric fan. Inside, it's got Stewart Warner gauges, Holley Sniper fuel system, and all LED lighting. This Cobra sounds like a monster on the road, clean, tuned, and built to perform. That would be it for this episode. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more. See ya!